Forsythe. I teach improv and composition and ballet. I began choreographing, I guess, when I was about 13, doing musicals in high school. And then I went to college, and my teacher there encouraged me to choreograph. She said, "Oh, you're a choreographer." I have no idea why she said that, but she said I was. You know, as a choreographer, you're a teacher. And I think what I really enjoy is the teaching part of choreography. It's getting people there. That's the really enjoyable thing. Seeing people have these little successes every day, or you see them grasp something, and that's a wonderful thing to witness. When I teach here at Kaufman, I do not teach any differently than when I teach full professionals. I am looking at what I hope will be their professional selves. I'm looking at that person now, and I'm trying to keep addressing that future professional that I see in them. You know, professionals, they know where they are. You know, they kind of have a trajectory. But here we have a very broad spectrum of talent and desire, and I'm very happy to be with people who don't quite yet know where they're going. I think that's a very interesting place. What is it that you can develop that will allow you or get you into situations where you have agency, where you can actually move in the direction you want to move artistically, and for them to strategize for themselves what that might be.
Thank you, my dears. Thank you.
I'm just enjoying the process tremendously.